Pet AI is a game changer for pet owners looking to bring artificial intelligence into their daily lives. But with so many new AI tools on the market, how do you know if Pet AI lives up to the hype? In this video, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know if Pet AI is the right fit for your needs, and I'm also going to share where you can try it for free. So make sure you watch until the end. First, let's talk about how Pet AI works. Essentially, it's an AI-powered platform designed to enhance your pet care experience. Whether you're tracking your pet's health, training them, or just making their daily life more fun, this software brings advanced tech to the pet care world. It analyzes your pet's behavior, offers personalized tips, and even has a feature that suggests the best pet care products based on your pet's unique needs. It's like having a digital assistant specifically designed for your furry friend. One of the best features of Pet AI is its ability to monitor your pet's health over time. By connecting it to your pet's daily activities and health data, the AI generates insights into things like diet, exercise, and even potential health risks. This is incredibly useful for preventive care. Imagine having a health coach for your pet that can suggest changes to their routine before issues arise. If you're serious about your pet's well-being, this alone can be a game changer. Now, let's dive into the pet training capabilities. Pet AI offers custom training plans based on your pet's breed, behavior, and specific goals. Whether you're dealing with a puppy that needs to learn basic commands or an older pet with some behavioral issues, Pet AI provides step-by-step training that's customized just for them. It even tracks progress, so you'll know exactly where your pet stands in their training journey. Pet AI also includes an advanced pet camera integration. The camera lets you monitor your pet in real time, and it's smart enough to alert you if something seems off, whether your pet is acting strangely or needs attention. This is especially great for pet owners who work long hours and want to keep tabs on their pets throughout the day. Plus, it has a two-way audio system so you can talk to your pet from anywhere, easing separation anxiety, which is huge for both you and your pet. Another thing to note is that Pet AI comes with a community of other pet owners and professionals. The software's community feature is a great way to share tips, ask questions, and learn from other people who are using Pet AI to improve their pets' lives. It's not just a one-way system, you're connecting with a network of people who are as invested in pet care as you are. This level of interaction is rare in pet-related technology and sets Pet AI apart from other platforms. As with any software, Pet AI has its drawbacks. It's relatively new, so it doesn't have the vast ecosystem that other, more established pet care apps might have. Some features are still being fine-tuned, and there may be occasional bugs or delays. However, considering that the developers are actively updating and improving the software, it's something you can feel comfortable using with the expectation that it will only get better over time. One of the most appealing aspects of Pet AI is its accessibility. Despite its high-tech features, the software is user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to understand how to set it up and get the most out of it. In fact, I'd say this is one of the best parts about the platform. It makes cutting-edge technology available to pet owners who want to improve their pets' lives, but aren't necessarily tech-savvy. Now, I promised I'd tell you where to try Pet AI for free. You can access a free trial of the software from the first link in the description below. This is your chance to test out all of its features, including health tracking, training plans, and community features, without committing a dime. It's the perfect opportunity to see if Pet AI is right for you and your pet. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've gathered a list of my top recommendations. All of these are linked in the description below, and I highly encourage you to check them out if you're looking for AI software that can truly make a difference in your daily life. To wrap up, Pet AI is an incredibly innovative solution that's already proving to be a valuable asset for pet owners everywhere. Whether you're looking to improve your pet's health, behavior, or simply stay connected with them while you're away, this software has the tools to make it happen. Don't forget to check out the free trial and let me know your thoughts on Pet AI in the comments.